Hey there, guys. How's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Memorex DVD, the 4.7 gigabyte blank discs. Yeah. Now, I've been getting blank DVDs to, store files and movies and even like photographs or any kind of media that I want to, store things and put them away, like archive them so they're in a safe place. Lots of files stored as a data file and just put into cases and, stored away just, so you don't lose them. Mainly lots of photographs, because, you want stuff of your loved ones and experiences and all that. So normally I would use Memorex, the Dvd+R, and I've been using Memorex for a while now, and I am very happy with them. Yeah, I haven't experienced any skipping or malfunctions when I'm doing my burning or anything like that. I have experienced some bad DVDs before, so I kind of know what to look for when I use them. Usually in my experience, a DVD that has no name on the front of it, no title, like how it says Memorex here, when it's completely blank, no label or anything, they're probably pretty cheap and they're probably not going to work well, or they'll only work on certain devices. Memorex, this one here, this kind, I usually buy the 24 pack, and it works very well, very, very well. Like I said, I have no problems with skipping or problems with burning. They are pretty economical too. They're not super expensive, and you can pretty much find them anywhere. And yeah, I've used Memorex probably for the last going on maybe 7 to 8 years now, when I really started to take concern about storing my files and everything. And I wanted a way to actually store my important files, like pictures and stuff like that, and, put them in their little pouches and keep them for safekeeping, And I needed a good storage unit to do that, and Memorex DVDs work very well for me. Now, as far as movies, burning movies and things like that, I do very well with Memorex. The 4.7 is plenty of space for a high quality movie, a high HD setting. And when I put this in my computer after a burning, in my computer or DVD player, the picture is crystal clear. Yeah, it works. I mean, it really, really burned it very well. And I don't remember ever having a moment or a session where I was actually copying anything or like making any kind of a disc and had an issue with Memorex. They've always come through for me, and they're just a very good brand, reliable, and it comes in various sizes as far as how many you can get in a pack. I mean, I've seen them for like 10 pack and 24 pack, and I even seen the 100 pack, but I don't burn that much or, save to file that much, so I didn't really need to get the bulk like that. So the 24 pack does me very well. Yeah, Memorex is a very good brand. I have no qualms with them. I'm hoping to store more files and use more discs because I have a lot of things that I want to, save, and Memorex is going to be my choice to what to save them on. Yeah, I'm going to use these. I mean, I don't know if they're the best, but they work the best for me. I mean, I haven't used a better one, and I have no problem with these. Yeah, Memorex. Okay, we've been talking about the Memorex Dvd+R. 4.7 gigabytes, and this is the blank DVDs, okay? All right, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye.